Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to find your privacy and policy on a CapCut application on your mobile phone. So every application may have this privacy policy to make sure that the user will feel safe for using their application. So here, to check the privacy policy on the CapCut mobile, you just need to open your CapCut application, and now you just need to go click in the settings button right here, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this privacy policy right here, and then you just need to go click it, and the system will be bring you into the privacy policy of the CapCut application, and you can read a whole sentence and whole informations of this CapCut application. So that's the way how to find out the privacy policy on a CapCut application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.